Following the Permanent Court of Arbitration ruling against China on Tuesday, the Malaysian Foreign Ministry said Malaysia believes that China and all relevant parties involved in the South China Sea maritime claims can find constructive ways to develop healthy dialogues, negotiations and consultations. The ministry said Malaysia is committed and calls on the parties to ensure the implementation of the Declaration on the Conduct of Parties in the South China Sea in its entirety and ensure the conclusion of a Code of Conduct in the South China Sea as agreed between China and ASEAN countries. It also said they can peacefully resolve disputes while respecting diplomatic and legal processes, international laws and 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. The court ruled that findings showed that there was no legal basis for China to claim historic rights to resources within its so-called 9-dash line, which covers much of the South China Sea. The court also said China had interfered with traditional Philippine fishing rights at Scarborough Shoal and had breached the Philippines' sovereign rights by exploring for oil and gas near the Reed Bank. The Philippines filed the case against China in 2013. However, China refused to participate in the arbitration, saying that several treaties with the Philippines stipulate that bilateral negotiations be used to resolve border disputes. So far, other parties involved in the territorial claims, such as Japan, Taiwan and Vietnam, have responded on the ruling. Japan and Vietnam said they see the ruling as a final and legal binding decision, while Taiwan rejected the ruling, saying that it will defend its sovereignty.